I have a proclamation from the city of Boston, but before I do the proclamation, I want to thank the nurses, the doctors, the cleaning crews, the food service folks, the security people, the front desk, the chaplains, the telephone operators, and anyone and everyone in this great institution, but in particular in the medical community broad. Because in the beginning of COVID, at least for me, it was a learning experience. And as we were closing things down collectively, it was amazing to see hospital personnel continue to do the job every day without complaining. I'm sure that behind the scenes there was concerns and bumps in the road, but it really has been amazing to watch. This, unfortunately, is not the end of COVID. I said the other day, if it's a football game, we're at halftime, and we're not sure what the second half is going to bring. But we are setting ourselves up to have a strong second half, as long as we continue to do the work, the groundwork that's been laid down by a lot of you, doctors and nurses and everyone else. So on behalf of the city of Boston and me personally, I'm extremely grateful to be able to be a partner with you in this work. And I have a city proclamation. Whereas the city of Boston has a proud and long-standing history of building and supporting a healthy community, starting with the creation of the nation's first health department with Paul Revere as its president, and continuing with a strong focus on implementing programs aimed at prevention, education, and improvement. And whereas the Massachusetts General Hospital has helped support and enhance the health and well-being of many diverse communities it has served over the past 209 years through safe, compassionate care, and innovative research and education. And whereas dedicated staff at every level of Mass General Hospital have worked tirelessly for its patients and their families and communities on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic to care for and support the care of those in their greatest time of need. Whereas Massachusetts General Hospital has served and is recognized as a leader in research and treatment of COVID-19 in the local, national, and international communities, and its Board of Trustees has recognized these efforts with a Day of Appreciation now. Therefore, I, Martin J. Walsh, Mayor of the City of Boston, do hereby proclaim today, July 30th, 2020, to be Massachusetts General Hospital Day in the City of Boston. I urge all my fellow Bostonians to join me in recognizing the invaluable positive impact that Massachusetts General Hospital has had on our people, our city, beyond and during these unprecedented times. I want to thank Mass General Hospital. I want to thank you, Dr. Thank you for the swag. Wear it with pride.
Yeah, I just want to say a few things, and I know my colleague Dr. Ferris does as well. I just want to thank you for visiting us today. Today is a wonderful day of celebration for our staff as we thank them for their heroic efforts during this latest crisis that the people of Mass General have responded to on behalf of the people of this city and this region. We are blessed to have 27,000 outstanding individuals who are just so dedicated and talented at what they do and who work so hard every day and every night to meet the needs of our patients. And certainly that was no more true than over the last five months. I've been associated with this hospital for 36 years. I've always been proud to be part of this community, but never more proud than over the last 5 months. It has obviously been a time of a lot of suffering, a lot of death, but it has been a time of incredible heroism, and so many people throughout this organization who turned heaven and earth to do whatever is necessary to meet the needs of our patients and the community.
And Mayor Walsh, let me say on behalf of the physicians at Mass General that as a native of Massachusetts and Boston, how proud we are to live in a place where the leadership is very sensitive to the science, that takes in the science, that listens to experts, and uses that knowledge to make the best, most sound decisions for the whole population of this state. We are incredibly blessed to have a situation where that level of communication and trust is enabling an extraordinary benefit to this population, and your leadership in that process has been essential. And and very much, we thank you very much for that. Cookies.
Yes.